Well, this is it. I'll try to take her down. Got the tractor over there. Cable around that tree. Pulled up to that notch. Well, the big monster is down. Bucking up some of it over there. We got some of it left over here. That's all going to the cordwood pile. We took out two 16-footers, and they are up next to the sawmill. But what made this cut really scary is the rot. I wedged it over there, and then I plunged in with my chainsaw, and I could feel inside that she was hollowed out, so that made us real nervous. So when I started doing my back cut here, as soon as she started to crack a little bit, I told my buddy who was on his tractor down in the hollow there, and we also tied it off to that tree, to go. So he took off, pulled on the cable, and we wanted her to go right there. She ended up here, mainly because I was hoping this would hold as I cleared this out. And what happened is, as it started to go, she didn't hold at all because that's where all the rot was. So she started to go this way. And she spun around and boom, there. And that big limb is now stuck up in this maple tree. Yeah. LifeInTN.